Did you know that digital marketing is constantly evolving? The landscape is changing rapidly, and as a marketer, it's crucial to stay ahead of the trends. Today, we're diving into the future of digital marketing and uncovering the key trends you need to know to succeed in this dynamic field. Let's start by exploring the scope of digital marketing. In today's digital age, businesses are increasingly relying on online channels to reach their target audience. With the rise of social media, search engine optimization, and email marketing, digital marketing offers endless possibilities for connecting with consumers in a meaningful way. Now, let's delve into the future of digital marketing. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see a shift towards more personalized and interactive marketing strategies. From AI-powered chatbots to virtual reality experiences, the future of digital marketing is all about creating unique and engaging customer interactions. Another important trend to keep an eye on is the growing importance of data analytics. By leveraging data insights, marketers can better understand their audience's preferences and behavior, allowing them to tailor their campaigns for maximum impact. As we move into the future, data-driven marketing strategies will become essential for driving growth and ROI. In conclusion, the future of digital marketing is bright and full of exciting opportunities. By staying informed about the latest trends and embracing innovative strategies, you can position your business for success in the ever-changing digital landscape. So, are you ready to take your marketing to the next level? Remember, the future is digital. Are you ready to embrace it?